Cause I can't go in the blue one. Alright.
Go red.
I got it, I got it.
Oh.
Oh, fuck. Wait, I have this carpet. Okay, everyone going. Okay, yeah.
Oh yeah, there you go.
It closed us. It closed us. Go.
Oh my god, bro. Wait, guys, look, come read this. Come read this.
Reading. These things control the entire lever. Throw it at them.
It's not Tuesday, bro.
What the?
Oh, you have to throw at the eye.
Where? Throw it on the thing. Oh, this dumb. That didn't work. Joe!
It didn't let me move. I was like, what the fuck? Why? Oh fuck! Wait.
200.
Move.
I can't, bro. I can't, bro. Oh, don't worry. I can't, bro. No! Oh, bro.
No! Ah!
Can we stop throwing these, bro? Can we stop?
Yo, die my fucking off!
Oh. Bro, we're never finishing this game, bro. Oh.
Oh!
John, Nathan's dead too. Look at him. Look, he's gonna get full box.
Red one.
Yes,
We need 8 more keys.
No, it's 4. It's only 3. It's only 3. Put it in. And then turn it. Yeah. Alright. No, it's at the bottom. Alright, let's go to green. Let's go to this one.
Oh no.
Find the tape and follow the instructions. Nah, it'd be like easily accessible. Oh, it's right here. Got it. No, it's an order. It's an order. Green, yellow, blue, red, pink. Are you guys making out over here? Yes, Oh, key. Nice. Just drop the key here then. Leave the key on the floor or something.
It's a quest. It's a quest item, bro. It doesn't matter.
It's a quest item. Actually, that's a universal task, guys. That's a universal task.
Uh-oh.
Full box? They both got full box, Joe. Woo! Oh, my boobies. Party time. Make the correct color and symbol upstairs with the glow sticks. You guys are goated. Got the key.
I don't know.
What the fuck? How do you do this?
No, it's open.
You opened it.
Oh.
They know the way out of there. Follow them. Wait, that's the bro. This is the bro. This is the bro. Wait, crouch.
Whoa, crouch never.
What if we just start running around? Will he die?
Us, I feel like he's trapping us.
Oh. Oh!
Let him IGL.
Chill,
you
bro. Bro.
Bro, are you f***ing retarded?
Chill, bro. God, bro. Damn me, man.
We only have to crouch past the
I'm
doorways.
about to tweak out, bro. Can you stop doing that?
Now he's just staring at
Bro,
us.
that's
What the
it?
fuck?
What?
Oh, you know it's gonna be a bad.
What the f? What
There's
the
hella
fuck?
gear, bro.
Walkie-talkie, flashlight.
This is hella gear,
Oh, hell
bro.
nah. I'm going down.
Joe just f***ing killed himself.
Same.
Okay, bro.
Oh, bro, there's a lever right here.
Oh.
on, Joe.
Wait, Joe, jump. Oh!
Nice.
Wait, you look like Batman right now. Holy fuck.
Wait, the thing just keeps going down.
Off.
We didn't stop it, bro.
Oh.
We're supposed to stop our thing.
I feel like it's just gonna get
It looks like
scarier and
fucking
scarier.
Bro, can we stay together, bro? I'm sorry.
Johnny, where'd you go?
Goodbye.
Guys? Why are there lockers? Ah! Get me in! Go! Move! Lever! Oh,
God.
Joe, stop it. Oh. Uh-oh, do I have to go solo, Bolo?
Wait, watch out, behind you.
Okay. Yeah. I just took a pic of Joe's butthole. Oh, take a pic! Bro.
There's the fake dudes on the next one.
Wait, how do you know there's the fake dudes?
I saw it kill me.
Oh, right here, Nathan.
Wait, the face is right here. Yeah, I'll take a pic.
Alright, go for it.
Level.
Oh, there's a fake. Okay, bro.
Oh, you guys fucked. How do you guys die?
Bro, I was.
Full box?
I don't know, bro. Oh.
Oh yeah, it doesn't go any more down. I think.
Yeah, no, that's it.
Wait, behind you.
On the left.
Oh, right here. Take a pic. Get out.
Oh! Ooh. What now? Wait, it's going down! Wait. I think we were supposed to go all the way down, no?
They were going up,
Oh. Finally get out of here, man. We can see our families. What's the first thing you're gonna do when you get home?
My wife.
Oh. What's this? TV?
Oh, fuck.
Yahoo! We got out! We won! We beat it! Uh-oh. Wait, did we beat it?